If you ever wanted to know what marketing is, how it works, and how it is applied to your business, stick with me. Because in this episode, I will be breaking down exactly what marketing is, how it works, and why is it such an important element of your business. Let's get started. Hey there, my name is Himanshu Badalia, and I welcome you all to my channel, Over a Coffee with Himanshu, where we help you develop a vision and learn how to make marketing and business strategies. So, if you are interested in learning the what, when, where, and how of marketing, you might want to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. So, let's talk marketing. This is something that I love to talk about. Ever since I got interested in understanding why people behave and react in a certain way. Why do they prefer a particular product or a brand over the other? And later on, how to influence them and persuade them to achieve our own objectives. You see, it doesn't matter if you have a business or not. Marketing is happening everywhere. Every time you try to convince your friends, family, or coworker, let's say for which movie to watch or which restaurant to go to, you are marketing. And every time you interact with somebody, you are being marketed to. For example, every time you get a call from a telecaller for a credit card, or you guys watching this video right now. So let's start with understanding what marketing is not. There's a common thought that marketing is advertising. However, in reality, marketing is not advertising, but advertising is marketing. Let me explain how. You see, marketing is a major business function which comprises of multiple elements, one of which is advertising, but there are other elements as well, like PR, market research, content marketing, search engine marketing, and search engine optimization. There's ton others like BTL activation, ATL activation, and many more. So, saying marketing is just advertising would be kind of like saying finance is just taxation or HR is just hiring people. They definitely are important, but they're just one piece of the entire big puzzle. That is why when you start with marketing, it can become a little overwhelming. This is why I always suggest that you start with something that is of interest to you. It can be like social media marketing or content marketing. Start there, develop and strengthen your core, and then later on branch out. So, now that we've covered this all, let's understand what exactly marketing is. Well, the first thing that you will learn in any of the book or marketing courses is the 4 P's of marketing. These 4 P's are: first is product, the goods and services that you're selling. Second is price, the final amount that the customer has to pay. Place, the point of sale, where the transaction is happening. And promotion, where you create awareness and promote your offering, the fun stuff. However, the 4 P's is actually a concept from 1960s, and it has since evolved into the 4 C's of marketing. The 4 C's of marketing is a new way of understanding it through the customer's perspective. The 4 C's are consumer value, the benefit that the final customer gets out of purchasing your product. Cost to customer, that is the amount, the money, and the time spent to purchase your product. Convenience to the customer, this is the whole reason why e-commerce has succeeded over the last 4 5 years. And finally, communication, where the customer through an omni way talks to everybody before finalizing his purchase decision. Well, the 4 P's and C's do explain marketing to some extent, but there is an easier and simpler way of understanding it. Marketing, in its basic sense, is communicating your value to your customer. Now, It is all about answering the most important question of your customer. Why should I care? Marketing is all about connecting with people, understanding their pain, problem, and frustration so that you can position your business as the best solution available to their problem, essentially making them feel better. So, if done right, marketing can be a really powerful force. Guys, having the best product or service would not guarantee you your success. In fact, they rarely succeed. It is always the best marketed product or service that wins. Anybody who's been into business for any length of time would vouch for this. That is why having a good, strong marketing is so important. Now, there's another side of marketing that is rarely talked about but is equally so powerful. That is, marketing can create value. In fact, marketing in itself is valuable. You know, when you deliver a product in a way that it changes the perceived value of the product. For example, when you buy a product and it is packaged in such a luxurious and over the top way that you feel special and happy for just having purchased it. You see, economics assumes that people make buying decisions rationally, logically, and with full and complete facts. However, that is rarely, pretty much never the case. We humans are emotional, often illogical, and never have complete set of facts when we are making the buying decision. This is why marketing is so important and powerful. After all, if we started making all of our buying decisions solely on the basis of logic, utility, and the value that we are getting out of it, the luxury goods market would never even exist. Ultimately, marketing is all about the customers. It's about helping them solve their problem and making them feel good about themselves. So, if you are interested in learning more about marketing and business strategies, do watch all of our videos. They will help you take your business and marketing strategies to another level. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time over another round of coffee.